Whether it's high-end gaming or budget solution, RTX 30 series has a card for almost all segments. From gaming to rendering works, these cards are potent and promising that will keep you future-proofed for plenty of years to come. In today's video, we are going to showcase 5 of the best RTX 30 series GPU to help you find the right one.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the EVGA GeForce RTX 3060 XC. What sets this card apart from the Founders Edition is its dual fan design that is less chunky and takes up about 2 slots of the I/O panel. Affordable it may be, this card doesn't cheap out on performance. According to PC Max testing, this card outperformed several AMD 5000 series cards, which is quite impressive at this price range. With a boosted clock speed of 1777 MHz and 170 watts of power consumption, this card outperforms RTX 3060 Ti in terms of gaming performance and efficiency. On the I/O end, we get to see a total of 4 display connections, including 3 DisplayPort 1.4 and a single HDMI 2.1 output. If you are in for trying out an RTX 30 series card without spending too much, then you should go for the EVGA GeForce RTX 3060 XC. Next up at number 4, we have the RTX 3060 Ti Founders Edition, the original reference model from Nvidia that set the motion for all the other 3060 Ti cards that are currently available on the market. Spec-wise, this card is packing 4864 CUDA, 152 Tensor, and 38 ray tracing cores, which places this card in a mid-range position in the RTX 30 series lineup. This Founder Edition card has a dual fan design that delivers an effective cooling solution and will come in handy to build minimalist mid-tower gaming PCs. Surprisingly, it draws up only 200 watts of power to function, and having a 600 watt PSU will be sufficient enough to power this beast along with the rest of your PC components. You can either connect it with a single 8-pin connector using the Nvidia 12-pin adapter or 2 6-pin connectors and you will be all set. Furthermore, it has a total of 4 ports that includes 3 DisplayPort 1.4 and 1 HDMI 2.1 output. If you prefer simplicity and authenticity, the RTX 3060 Ti Founders Edition is the one you should go for. At number 3, we have the GeForce Gaming OC from Gigabyte, a stylish card that features Gigabyte's signature metallic design. This card features Gigabyte's signature black and metallic design, and the full metal backplate has a smaller cutout for greater airflow. Gigabyte kept themselves from using their high-end GPU coolers in this one that they used in the RTX 3080 and 3090 models. Instead, they used 80mm fans on all 3 coolers that gave this GPU a symmetrical outlook. The game clock has undergone some improvement, as well as this one incorporates 1815 MHz, which is significantly higher than the base variant. The 4 ports on the I/O panel includes 2 HDMI 2.1 and 2 DisplayPort 1.4 ports for connectivity and sized about 286mm in length for a seamless fit. Overall, the GeForce RTX 3070 Gaming OC is an amazing card that features Gigabyte's signature design and will fit most standard PC cases perfectly. Coming up at number 2, we have the MSI RTX 3080 Gaming X Trio, a behemoth of a card with improved performance and design. What's different about the MSI variant from the Founders Edition is the boosted clock frequency. MSI has brought up the numbers from 1710 MHz to 1815 MHz, which ensures greater benchmark scores as well as performance. With RTX 3080's 8704 CUDA and 68 ray tracing cores, this thing is a beast that can take on rendering and intensive gaming demands masterfully. MSI's black and gray theme looks quite sleek on this card, as it will fit well with most gaming setups. The subtle RGB design also looks quite sleek and a thing of admiration to add an aesthetic touch to your gaming PC. Overall, the MSI RTX 3080 Gaming X Trio is an excellent card with improved cooling, remarkable design, and higher clock speed that you will find amazing. Finally, at number 1, we have the Asus ROG Strix RTX 3090 OC, Asus's flagship and an outstanding GPU that can take on almost anything that you throw at it. Similar to the tough gaming version, this one is housing Axial Tech fan upgrades for optimized cooling solutions. The PCB has undergone some improvements as well, so did the backplate with some performance boosting charges. It doesn't stop there, as Asus has polished the surface of the heat spreader, which provides better contact with the fan and heatsink for better thermal transfer. This thing is packing a staggering 10,496 shader cores, which makes it an ideal card for 8K gaming at a reasonable FPS count. With its dual PWM fan connectors, you can directly attach the chassis fans for greater customization while increasing the intake or exhaust of the airflow that will aid you in intensive 3D tasks. Overall, the Asus ROG Strix RTX 3090 OC is one of the best variants of the RTX 3090 currently available on the market, with extreme performance, the most reliable cooling solution, and an eye-gasm design. So that was all about the top 5 best RTX 30 series GPU. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.